You are welcome. Today we'll be looking at medical conditions with no fully understood cause. I'll be looking at this under neurology, cardiology, respiratory, rheumatology or autoimmune, gastrointestinal, endocrine or metabolic, pediatrics, dermatology, psychiatry, and other conditions. In medicine, these are called idiopathic conditions, meaning the exact root cause is unknown. So under neurology, we have idiopathic intracranial hypertension. This means increased brain pressure without a known cause. Another of this kind of condition is epilepsy, that is some types. Many cases have no clear structural or metabolic cause. Another of such case is Parkinson's disease. Exact cause unclear, though linked to dopamine neuron loss. This is a picture of idiopathic intracranial hypertension. Second on our list is cardiology. So a condition like idiopathic dilated cardiomyopathy will give enlarged heart with no identifiable cause. Essential hypertension is another example. Most common type of hypertension, cause not clearly known. So we move to respiratory. Example is idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. This means progressive lungs scarring without known trigger. So these are the pictures. Just take your time to look at them. I move to rheumatology or autoimmune. Rheumatoid arthritis is one of the examples under this. So the exact trigger for this particular rheumatoid arthritis is unknown, though autoimmune in nature. Another example under this is systemic lupus erythematosus. So the cause of this one is also unclear, although it's believed to involve immune system attacking the body tissues. You can take a look at few pictures demonstrating these cases we are talking about. Next on the list is gastrointestinal. Example for this particular one is irritable bowel syndrome. So there is no clear structural cause for this particular disease. Another example is ulcerative colitis. The exact cause unknown. Immune plus environmental factors suspected. Next is endocrine or metabolic. So type 1 diabetes mellitus is an example. Cause involves immune destruction, but exact trigger is unknown. Pediatrics, example Kawasaki disease. Cause remains unknown. We move to dermatology. Vitiligo is an example. Loss of pigments with unclear exact cause. Another example is psoriasis, immune mediated but exact trigger unclear. Move to psychiatry. Example, schizophrenia, no single known cause. In other words, it is multifactorial. Major depressive disorder is also an example. Exact biological cause not fully understood. Other conditions that can be termed idiopathic conditions include recurrent or miscarriage. If genetic, uterine, hormonal, autoimmune are all negative, it can be labeled as idiopathic recurrent pregnancy loss. So what this simply means is that if the woman has done all the necessary tests that has been advised by a gynecologist, yet she keeps having miscarriage. Research has it that in about 30 to 50% of cases, no clear cause of missed miscarriage is found. Another example of idiopathic conditions is uterine fibroids. If you have any other examples of idiopathic condition, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.